Tlhogo's affair with Sanka is back to haunt the Sindanes. Sanka's sister has not back him down. She's determined to expose them, with Linda feeding her information. Boko seems to be in the dark about her dad, and Kiriboni seems to still be in love with Bukosi. Poor Gasa. Halala moves in with Bridget and takes on a relationship with Ntutugo. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scandal. Sanka sees that Darlene Myrie is determined to expose the Sindanes, even lowered herself to get a maid position at Level Up Cafe. Linda is busy for feeding her information, telling her about divorce and Dala Tlhogi, and that Taps and Tlhogi once hooked up. And now she knows Wusi Taps is the one that phoned her, trying to lead her astray about Sanka borrowing money from Mashonis. Now, Utlhogi says that she does not believe that this Sanka thing is back in their lives, and that she knew that this story about Tapelo spinning a Mashonisa will not work. But Dala seems to believe that because Darlene removed the post online in the reward, it means that she believes the story Tapelo sold to her. But the truth is, Darlene did not. And now, Darlene, aka Blessed, go level up apartments, is busy questioning Tinzwalo about Boss Lady and the Sindanes and Taps to find out what exactly is the story between Tapelo and the Sindanes. Now, Tinzwalo is starting to wonder why so much interest. You need to stop gossiping about our bosses because you're going to get yourself fired. Because she wanted to know the relationship between them, if they about this cheating scandal with Tapelo and Tlhogi being together at some point, but Tinzwala did not give her that and told her to stop gossiping. Now, Darlene is trying to convince Cohen that she's letting this whole thing go, continuing with her life and moving to Cape Town. And Miguel is busy, has a job, go develop apartments, so that they stop looking into her. They think that she's outside of Joburg. And then Linda sees that Darlene has removed the post online and starts thinking that Darlene wants to run away without giving him his money. But Darlene is like, no, it's all an act. It's a lie. I removed the post to make them think that I believe them. You're still going to get your money. And she still wants to pay Ulinda for the information that she has provided. She just wants the Sindanes to let loose and relax so that they won't see her when she strikes. And Linda is worried about her and wants her to be vigilant, and she's determined that she's going to bring them down. And then Toriso asked Poco about his dad. How did you miss your father? Something like that. And Poco is like, how do you miss someone that you've never met? He was never there when I went to school for the first time or when I released my first song. Sonjay, these dreams about having a dad were like crushed by the time I was like 10, because why would he show up now? Not knowing hore this Bukosi Chaoke Kai Papa Hai. Kiriboni Lena is worried hore. Bukosi did not even know that she was pregnant because of Matubela, and she's worried how Poco is going to be affected by this whole thing, because imagine Poco is an old man now, even married, and only now that his father is coming up. And now Tsiri wants to know gore bjale o ka se na le jwang, and Kiribati seems to still be fantasizing or wondering how life would have been with Bukosi, because she says that Bukosi told her that he still loves her. Now Tsiri is like, how? When I saw you still in love with Bukosi, because Tsiri can see around, man, something is off la. When okay usarata Bukosi, I don't know, man. Kasa makes me happy. But then she can't help but wonder how her life would have turned out if Bukosi would have been in her life and would not have left her Limpopo. Now Kasa has done the things that Matubela asked him and arranged a getaway for her and Kiriboni to go somewhere. Now Kiriboni says that she cannot go anywhere, not this week, not this month, because Kiriboni is busy. Akakana li taba Papa Puet Bukosi. Poor Kasa was so disappointed. Right, Matubela is busy making things worse. Kamolihle is busy nge-plans ye-gender reveal kaMadlomo, busy ngama-plans and saying ukuthi she's sure the baby is ubundle of joy wabo is a girl. Ntuthuko thinks it's a boy. I wonder izoba kanjani i-gender reveal party kaMadlomo. And then Halalelo shows up Bridget because Papa has stopped paying for her apartment go level up. And Bridget offered her a place to stay, saying that she's got a spare room, she can stay there. But Halala still doesn't want her dad to know, putting Bridget in a very tight position, but at least she's with Bridget, she'll be safe. And then Halala and Ntutuwa seems to be taking things the next step on being together and trying this relationship thing out. And they seem to be happy, they look cute together. Kamo Khalalelo seems to be like a simple low maintenance girly. Asa Twinning and Tutuafil seems to be like drawing towards her because he says that a lot of girls want expensive things. Maravana is just excited drinking ice cream and then they decide to take things slow and not label whatever ship that they're having and just enjoy the moment. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.